Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up with Adobe Analytics segments for UX insights. Complete guide step by step clearly. To back up Adobe Analytics segments for user experience insights, start by logging into your Adobe Analytics account. Navigate to the Components section in the main menu. Click on Segments to view all available segments. Identify the segment you wish to back up. Select the segment by clicking on it. Look for the download option in the top right corner of the page. Choose the format in which you want to download the segment data. Common formats include CSV or Excel. After selecting your preferred format, confirm the download. The file will be saved to your computer. Next, open the saved file to review the segment details. Ensure all necessary information is included for your analysis. If desired, create additional backups for other important segments. Organize your backup files in a designated folder for easy access. Label each file clearly with the segment name and date. Periodically update your backups to reflect any changes made to the segments. Lastly, consider creating a documentation file to outline segment definitions and their intended use. This practice will enhance your understanding of user experience insights over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.